Hi, my name is Lena and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be putting up a Christmas gallery wall on this wall right here behind me. My boyfriend and I made a custom frame for our TV not too long ago, and ever since then, I've really wanted to put up a gallery wall around it. I've been collecting frames, art pieces, and prints off of Etsy for a while, and I have such a nice selection to choose from. I'm also going to DIY a piece of art today, and I'll show you how I do that. I'm going to be decorating my Christmas tree today as well because I got it over this past weekend and it's looking a little sad here with just the lights on it. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're as excited to decorate for the holidays as I am. Let's get into it. Once all of my gallery wall items were selected and prepared, I cut out pieces of wrapping paper that were the same size and shape as each of the pieces. I also marked on the wrapping paper where I would need to add nails. This is a great way to ensure that everything goes up right on your first try and you aren't putting unnecessary holes in your wall.
When everything is white.
I taped everything up and decided on this configuration. I added nails to all of my markings and took down the wrapping paper.
A winter wonderland, a snowball in each hand.
The last step was just to add everything onto the wall. I'm very happy with how it turned out, and I can't believe I was so intimidated by this project. It truly was not that difficult. Oh my goodness, I am so in love with it. The daylight kind of got away from me, so I think I'm actually going to decorate my tree tomorrow morning, and I also want to work on this a little bit more. I think it's just a bit too dark. You can't really see what's going on when you back up, but I am very, very happy with it. So I have had this train for a few years now. It's the Hogwarts Express and it is super cute. The only problem is that the audio on it is not very good and it unfortunately doesn't play Hedwig's theme song, which I feel like it really should. So I got this little mini speaker to put either on the train or maybe just right in the tree, just kind of hidden, so that I can play whatever I want. I'm super excited about this. Let's set it up. Here is the final reveal. I think I might change things around a little bit as time goes on, and I think I'm also going to add a few more decorations to the tree because I happen to have some left over, but I am so happy with everything. I love that the TV art is adjustable, obviously. I just go onto YouTube and look up art or Christmas art for your TV, and there are so many great screensaver options. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video and come back next week to see the rest of my house decorated. Happy holidays!